1 street floor. Immaculate and freshly painted, new laminate flooring in kitchen, dining and living room. New carpet in both bedrooms. Kitchen features solid surface countertops, new cabinets and stainless appliances. AC installed in 2017. End unit gives more light and privacy. Features a large lanai for comfortable entertaining. This community is perfectly maintained with large heated community pool, tennis court, well-equipped fitness center plus attractive meeting and card rooms. Floor plan is open and airy with large bedrooms and bathrooms, dual sinks in the master. Plaza de Flores is a gated community on the Palmer Ranch ENJOY 8 NGA perfect Sarasota location, close to several beaches, shopping, dining and Sarasota's fabulous legacy trail for biking, jogging and walking.